Welcome to our greenhouse at the Quad City Botanical Center. Today we're going to feature our carnivorous plants, plants that eat insects. They developed this because the soil is missing the proper nutrients that they need to survive. So they have actually evolved to eat insects to replace that nutrient deficiency. So these are our live ones. We have the first two that are on your left are pitcher plants, and they're a pitfall trap, which they will actually fall down into the pit. It's very slippery, and in the bottom is digestive enzymes where they'll get basically dissolved into and digested into the plant. This bigger one is a pitcher plant. As well, and it is very happy because if you look, one bloom is open and 4 more to come, and you can see new ones popping up and older ones kind of dying off. This is typically normal for the plant once it's done, but I have a treat for you today. I have cut open the pitcher plant, and inside you can see the remnants of insects. These are mostly flies. And you can see, if you get real close here, you can see a wing and the fly itself. Very exciting. I did another one for you just to kind of give you, this one's a little bit further along, but look at that nummy insect that it's eating. So you have like a bee in there and some legs and all your insect parts. It'll digest this and nothing will be left. Now the next one is blooming as well. And this is our Butterwort. And they like shaded areas, but they will also be in boggy areas that are lacking of nutrients. So this one kind of has like a slimy coat over its leaves. And when an insect comes, if you look right here, you can see a couple insects that are stuck to it. Right in here. And when the insect starts to struggle, just like if you've ever had a bear hug, you're trying to get out of it, guess what? The digestive enzyme leaks up out of the leaves to capture it and eat it. Now these are sundews. This is actually a species of sundew called a spoonleaf, and they work on the similar thing, but their stickiness is out at all times. If you look on the very edges of them, there are these little balls of liquid, which is the digestive enzyme. Good look over here, and they trick. So this one, you'll see it's a beautiful red color. Guess what? Insects think that is a flower and that it's going to get nectar, but in turn it gets trapped and eaten. Now one of the most famous one is our Venus flytrap, and if you look right here, there's a couple new ones coming up and some that have closed that have insects in them. Let's see if we can find one that has an insect. Oh, look at that one right there. Can you get real close? There's an insect in this one. See it? It's eating it right now. They have little trigger hairs that tell when to close down on to the insect. And inside will actually leak out a variety of, it'll leak out the digestive enzyme.